Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is my smoky eye look. I think it can be defined as a fall look as well, but it's really just a smoky eye. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to do a makeup collaboration, makeup collaboration with me, you can leave it in the comments or you can message me directly. Alright, I appreciate all the love and support, and thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned. Jeez, getting tongue-tied here. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to take, of course, my favorite NYX Proof It Waterproof Primer, my go-to primer of these days. Then going into my Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder, I'm going to take that shade Black Matter, and I'm going to pack that on to my outer V and blend that into my crease, my transition area towards my brow bone. I like this black because it's not like super black and it's sparkly, you know, because I didn't want to be too dark today. And I'm just building the color up. And I'm gonna like wing it out on the end, so I can have a sharp line. That's why I love this tape. Now I'm going into Mystic Ice. I'm going to take a small crease brush and I'm going to also pack that onto my outer V, wink it out, and blend that into my crease. Now I'm just going to blend out my edges. Going into Storm Dust, I'm going to take a pencil type brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges of the black matter towards my brow bone and blend those two shades together. Next, I'm going to take a small paintbrush and I'm going to cut my crease using my Proof It primer. And I'm going to let it dry with my fan. If you don't have a fan, let it dry for a minute or two before applying your shadow. Next, I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush by Morphe and I'm going into that shade Fireball and I'm just going to pack that onto my lid. And I'm going to kind of wing it out on the end as well. I love the tape because I really get a sharp line versus trying to do it freehand. And I also use that tape as a guide when I'm doing my wing eyeliner. I'm going to go back into those shades I used previously, blend out my edges. Then I'm going to, yeah, I already said that, my bad. I'm just making sure everything is nice and blended and no colors got lost. Next, I'm going to go into this, I think it's Kat Von D eyeliner. I got this in my Itsby glam bag. I don't even know what Itsby glam bag it was in, but I found it with all my makeup still in the Itsby glam bag, so I decided to use it today. But I'm going to just make a tiny wing today. Usually, you know, I'm known for the dramatic wing, but I'm trying to make a smaller one today since I have that winged out shape and I want that to show with my shadow. And this is what it is, Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. Now I'm going into my Maybelline The City Mini Palette. I'm going to go into this blue shade just to blend out that blue because I wanted it to be more blue. And then I'm also going to use that Mystic Ice and the Maybelline Lasting, oh my god, Mystic Ice from the DC Cosmetics palette, and then that Shane Blue I just showed you to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm so tongue-tied today. Then I'm just going to take a pencil brush and use those same two colors just to make sure that it's very vibrant and blended. So I'm using Mystic Ice from the DC Cosmetics palette, and then that blue from the Maybelline the City Mini palette, and that is the Concrete Runway, I believe. It'll be in my description box. Now I'm going to take this shade Eternal Light, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Also going to use that to highlight the inner part of my eye a little bit later. And for my lashes, of course, my Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extensions Mascara. Then I'm just going to go back into those shades once more to make sure everything is really blended well together and the colors are nice and vibrant. So even though it's a smoky eye, I still want everything to be blended well together and vibrant. Next, I'm going to take this e.l.f. cream eyeliner, glitter liner, and I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm just going to outline half of that wing on top. This was a second thought. I looked at this look and said I'm missing a little bit something, so why not add some glitter? I love glitter. And I used a fan to dry it down before I did anything else, so I'm blinking it wouldn't go everywhere. Using my Too Faced Natural Face highlighter palette to highlight my face. And I'm going to highlight the inner part of my eye with that same shade I used for my brow bone. For my lips, I don't remember what name of that lipstick is, and then it's my NYX Pure Society lipstick. Gonna set my face with my Maybelline Less Than Fit Setting Spray. All the products I use will be in my description box if you really want to know. I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much. Hope you guys are being safe out there, and I will see you guys in my next video, which would be maybe in a couple of days. Bye. Thanks for watching.